What's up, guys? Today I'm here in at the Marietta City Hall. Let me see if I can show you. But anyway, I'm here to get a package. They have the package that actually shows what steps you need to open a food truck. We got a hotel here in Marietta, and we're gonna start a food truck up there. And I'm taking the first step, and here at the city of Marietta, I don't know if I can show you, but anyway, right there, back to me. Let's get the package, and I'll show you the next part. Thank you.